5, a Pasco County man goes on trial for shaking his baby so severely the child almost died and is now severely handicapped. Our Eric Waxler is live tonight with what the boy's mother said on the witness stand today. Eric?
Jameson, this trial will likely come down to what the many medical experts will say they think happened to little Lucas Gelb, but the jury will not see the little boy in person.
You can't put the wheelchair on.
Lucas Gelb came to the courthouse this morning but was taken home before the trial started.
He was a 2-month-old, perfect little boy who had the whole world in front of him.
The soon-to-be 4-year-old was just 2 months old when his father, Jonathan Gelb, was arrested for aggravated child abuse.
That man hurt him so badly that his head started to bleed internally, that part of his skull had to be removed, that his legs were fractured in different places.
Gelb was taking care of his son on July 29, 2008 at their Port Richey home. The boy's mother, Leann Rodriquez, was at work. She says Gelb had told her their baby was cranky that day. When she got home, Leann says she saw Lucas laying on his father's lap. She says the baby she nicknamed Lucky was barely breathing and Gelb hadn't called for help.
There was no response. He was gasping for air.
Rodriquez didn't know what was wrong. The jury heard the 911 recordings as Rodriquez performed chest compressions on Lucas's tiny body. The defense says Gelb did nothing to hurt Lucas, and the symptoms could have been caused by other medical conditions, and there's no evidence they say this is a case of shaken baby syndrome.
Because if it's simply shaking, it's a rotational energy, and the weakness is the pivot point, which is the stem, brain stem. So there is no injury to baby Lucas's brainstem to correspond to this.
Life is very difficult for Lucas and his family. He can't walk, talk, or speak, and to eat, he needs to be fed through a tube. Doctors have told his mother to enjoy time with him while she can't. As for his father, Gelb faces 30 years in prison if convicted. At the Pasco County Courthouse in Newport Richey, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.